for staying with us. I think you'll be glad you stuck around for this segment. As you see, I've got two new fresh faces in studio. Susan Cato with the CAPA, Executive Director. We'll get into what that is in just a second. Howard Pfister, the District Manager for this region, Waste Management.
Yes.
Howard and I are longtime golf buddies, so it's good to see you.
You as well.
And we're going to be talking a little bit of golf here in just a second.
Perfect.
But first of all, Susan, I wanted you to just tell our viewers, what is CPA and what is your mission?
Our mission is to stop the destructive life of child abuse neglect. It's a cycle. CAPA is a Child Abuse Prevention Association. We do prevention programs in schools and churches and youth-serving organizations. We also have parenting classes and support groups. But probably the keystone of our operation is an intervention program that we've operated for almost 28 years, the Open Arms Shelter for abused and neglected children. Last night we had 13 kids with us. 4 of those children were from Hilton Head Island. Abuse happens, it happens here as well as all over the world. But CAPA is committed to doing early intervention programs whenever possible and to do the prevention end, but also we operate the shelter, which we house anywhere from 5 to 13, 14 children a day.
Wow, and the shelter is located where?
It's located over on the Beaufort side.
Okay.
But we serve the whole 14th Judicial Circuit, actually, so not only Beaufort County, but outlying counties as well.
It's one of those problems in our culture that we hate to talk about, we hate to think about, because you know the fragile, innocent lives of children is probably the most precious thing we own, and there just are these unfortunate circumstances that children are born into, that find themselves in these abusive situations. So it's our job to pull together and give them a place, an outlet to
Absolutely.
go and be free from this. So I can't applaud you more. What a noble, noble cause and organization. And I know, Howard, being Waste Management, you guys had no problem getting behind this kind of network.
Not at all. I mean, this is our 19th year being involved with CAPA. It's our core value is safety.
Yeah.
And so to be able to have a marriage of the two, the CAPA and Waste Management, it just worked out perfect. They're trying to provide safety for the children, and we're trying to provide safety for everyone out on the roads and throughout the community.
Yeah, so it's really a natural fit,
Mm-hmm.
and clearly, for these organizations to exist, money has to exist, funding has to exist.
Yes.
And what a great way! I think that we're going to get to why we're here.
Yeah.
What a great way to raise money, have some fun, create some awareness. But what better way to do that than a golf tournament?
That's right.
And you guys, again, being around 19 years, this is your 19th tournament.
Yes.
And I see some of the past courses that you played. You're not just playing the old munis. You're getting out on some of the top courses in the area.
Right.
This year, I think Spring Island holds one charity event a year. They've chosen you to be that event. That's an honor. So on March 8th, you'll be having your 19th annual CAPA tournament.
That's right.
And that's going to be at Spring Island. Tell us about that partnership, how that came about.
We approached Spring Island a couple of years ago. We have some supporters that live on the island, and they knew that they limited access to their course to one charity. And so their golf committee took us under consideration and chose us. And you know, they just did a $4.6 million renovation of their course.
Mr. Palmer actually came on site to oversee that.
He did. We invited him to our tournament, but he's not going to be able to come.
He's a little busy.
He's a little busy, but we're thrilled and can't wait to see the golf on Spring Island. It's going to be very unique, I think.
Well, Bill Sampson is a good friend of mine. He does an amazing job out there, and I'm sure he couldn't be happier to have an organization like yours out there representing yourselves on his course.
Thank you.
Howard, you're a golfer. You and I have played much golf together over the years. I'm sure you're playing.
I am going to participate. I mean, especially you can't pass up the opportunity to play Spring Island, Old Tabby. It's just a great way to spend 4 or 5 hours of your day. I mean, just the scenery and the golf course itself.
I know you probably got a lot of spots filled, but you're looking for more.
We are, and we particularly need sponsors, and we have some sponsorships that include golf. Our gold sponsorship is $5,000, includes eight players plus prominent billing, throughout the tournament. We also have silver, which includes one foursome, and it's $2,500. And we need, if we could get 4 of those, we could make this tournament go to the next level. And really, the funding makes such a difference in the services that we provide.
Yeah.
But we also need golfers. We expect to sell out.
What are you capping it at teams?
We're going to do 96 players as
96
is
players.
going to be our cap on
Okay.
that event.
Wow.
Yeah.
Great. So yeah, you need some participation.
Right.
We do.
Obviously, 96 team field is, or did you say teams?
No, players.
Players.
96 players.
Yes,
That's
yes.
still a tall order.
Yes, it is.
And getting sponsors and instill this as we trudge out of some of this economic difficulty. We're still, it's still tight out there.
Mhm.
So, folks, if you have any interest, if you know somebody that you could think of as a sponsor, get in touch with them. Have them contact Susan and/or Howard to get involved with this incredible organization, this clearly fun-filled day. Anything that goes on 19 years has a track record of success. I can't think of anything I would rather get behind, so I'm going to get on the horn today and start helping you guys myself.
Great.
And we'll probably enter a team in it as well.
Good.
How do they need to contact you guys?
They can call our office at 843-524-4350, or they can go on our website, which is www.cappabuford.org.
Excellent. Wonderful. Well, guys, thanks so much for coming in and sharing your information about your organization with you. I didn't personally know about it, and I'm just thrilled to know that kind of opportunity for these kids exists
Thank you.
here in the Low Country. I couldn't thank you more for your service.
Thank you.
We're very humbled to have you here.
Yeah, thanks for having us.
Guys, again, follow this up, get involved with the CAPA, and that is all. Well, by the way, get involved with the CAPA and play Spring Island. Yeah. Can't think of 2 better things to do in a day. That's all the time we have this week on Golf Weekly. Thanks to all my guests, and for Mr. Tremblay and Mr. Hendricks, I'm Daniel Court. We will see you next week.